Here she goes.
Yes. Here, let me give you a little steer. There you go.
Want to come down to your room?
Good girl.
There she goes.
Bonk.
Boom.
Back it up. There we go.
You're making tracks there, Pumpkin.
Uh-oh.
No, she wants to go in there. She can.
I think she just kind of got crooked. Yes.
This is your room. Are we in Hannah's room?
There you go.
Good job. You're proud of yourself as well. You should be.
Boink.
Bonk.
Good roar. Can you back it up, Hannah? Can you back that up? Can you back it up? Boop. Boop. Not really.
No, not quite yet.
Here we go. Let's back up. Beep.
Beep, beep, beep.
There you go. There you go. Oh, not bad.
Die. Oh man.
Getting faster.
Making tracks.
There you go. Good girl. Good girl.
Good
right
girl.
away.
Wanna make a right hand turn? Wanna follow me in the living room?
There you go.
Doop. Here she goes. Are you so proud?
That's good girl.
You should be so proud.
And boom. You'll figure out how to steer before long.
Yep. Oh, we got a bump. Good job, though. Pick it up. Good job. Boop. Boop. Pick yourself up, dust yourself off. And here she comes.
Lap 2. Good girl.
Where are you going? You going to your play stuff?
I don't know. I don't know if she was trying to steer towards you and.
Whoa! You did that all yourself.
Good job.
Oh, I have scared myself.
Here we go.
Go up to Dada.
Ah.
Go up to Dada. Yay! Okay, Hannah.
Whoa.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, she wants back.